Hello, welcome to Industrial Surplus. We are here to do yet another Okuma Howa Millac 438V 4-axis CNC vertical machining center. This machine was built new in 1997. It is equipped with a 16 by 41 inch table, and the travels are approximately 32 inches by 17 by 17. It's equipped with a Cat 40 spindle nose, a 60 to 10,000 RPM spindle range, it's a 40 position tool changer, has a Fanuc 16M control, 18M. Here's the tool changer. While we're back here, I'll show you the hydraulic system, lubrication, coolant pump. There is a tank for it. It's out in the back, being stored. Looks like it has a part probe and a tool probe interface, Renishaw interface card for it, but we do not have the probe that goes into the tool holder. I'll bend down a little bit and show you the spindle and the tool changer arm. Machine is equipped with heavy-duty boxways. They're in very good condition. The machine is in great running condition. It's equipped with this Kitagawa TM200 4th axis rotary table. Here's the Fanuc control, 18M. Manual pulse generator. Actual cutting time on this machine is 16,173. I'll just show you the electrical cabinet on this side if I could. No. We got power, and I can't open that right now, but I'll take a still photo of that and include it in the quote if you're interested. So we'll go ahead and start the machine and do a small program that we put in here. Let's see the rotary table turning. What RPM are we at? 2,000 RPM. Machine weighs approximately 12,000 pounds, and overall dimensions are roughly, if I remember correctly, 103 by 97 by about 8 feet high. 7,500. I don't know if you can tell, I'm standing right in the machine. You can't even hear that spindle, just barely. That's in great condition. Beautiful. It's the end of the cycle. All right. We're happy to answer questions. We're here from Monday through Friday, 8 to 5 p.m. and we will happy to discuss this machine with you. Thank you very much.